Hey guys, Jacob doing Hoopgoat's daily blind tier list. Let's get going. Metal World Peace tier 4. Kuzma tier 4. Art King tier 3. I think Grant Hill tier 2. Labor tier 1. Butler tier 3, please appropriate. Mitch Richmond. I want to go tier 2. I'm gonna go tier 3, top tier 3, because I want to save the other tier 2. Someone really good. Ypsi KD tier 2. Ingram, I'm okay with tier 3. Come on, be someone like fucking Josh Hart. Fuck. Dang it, Clyde. It was going so well.